Hello everyone, I welcome you back to Silo Light Healing. So let us check what are the messages for you from your spirit guides, from your angels, from your person that you are currently dealing with or thinking about. Okay, so I have already shuffled up the cards and let us check कि आपके person आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, what are their feelings, what are their current energies and what are they planning to do next. Okay, so with this card here, that is 3 of Pentacles, I'm getting here, the message that I'm getting here is कि आप ये पर्सन के साथ एक लॉन्ग टर्म पार्टनरशिप चाहते हैं. यू विश टू हैव अ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप विद दिस पर्सन दैट यू आर करंटली थिंकिंग अबाउट. ओके, you want to get married also. Marriage is on the cards definitely if you are currently dealing with a person and if you feel that this person is trustworthy and you wish to have a long term partnership with this person, then definitely you should go for it. Secondly, आप ये person के साथ एक ऐसी रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं जो ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स, ड्यू टू थर्ड पार्टीज, ये आपकी जो कनेक्शन है, आपका जो रिलेशनशिप है विद दिस पर्सन वो अफेक्ट ना हो. ओके, ड्यू टू एनी सर्कमस्टेंसेज और मे बी एनी थर्ड पर्सन, दिस बॉन्ड दैट यू शेयर विद दिस पर्सन शुड नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड. फाइन. थर्डली, आप दोनों फिनेंसेस के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. यू वॉन्ट टू ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्गर टुगेदर, यू वॉन्ट ग्रोथ इन योर करियर एज वेल. आप जो भी अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में करते हैं, यू वॉन्ट टू ग्रो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड और इन वॉट एवर यू डू. एंड ऑल्सो विद दिस पर्सन यू वॉन्ट टू ग्रो. ओके, financially you want to become more stable, more secure, and you want also to provide financial security to this person. Yeah, that's another thing. Another message that I'm picking up is you are wanting to break free from the repeating patterns, thoughts, or a cycle that is, going on and on in your life, which is really very toxic for you. Okay, secondly, आप past चीज़ों को भूलना चाहते हैं, past को past में रखना चाहते हैं. You want to move on from a certain patterns, as I said. Okay, you want to break free from those patterns which are traumatic for you. And also आपने जो भी efforts डाले आपके connection में with the justice card here, उसका equal return आपको definitely मिलेगा. Okay, your person is also wanting to invest time, efforts, and whatever you are expecting, they are going to invest in this relationship or the connection that you share. आपने वेट किया है, जो भी इन्वेस्ट किया है, आपने मैनिफेस्ट किया है, प्रेयर्स किए हैं, प्रे किया है, कुछ विश आपकी थी जो मैनिफेस्ट नहीं हो रही थी, बट नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू गेट फुलफिल्ड विद दिस जस्टिस कार्ड हियर इफ यू हैव बीन फेयर इनफ. फाइन. ऑल्सो there are some karmic patterns which are drifting away. Yeah, that's another important and specific message that I'm getting for you. Fine. So आपको पास्ट को पास्ट में रखना चाहिए, पास्ट को आपके कनेक्शन में नहीं लाना चाहिए. प्लस यू ऑल्सो नीड टू हील योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दोज पास्ट इश्यूज. इट कुड बी फाइट्स, डीलिंग विद थर्ड पार्टीज, और एनी अदर थिंग्स विच आर creating the stress that you are going through. Fine. Now let us check what are the angel messages for you today. Okay. Yeah, so we have a strong yes from the angels. So जो भी आपने विश किया है, जो भी आपने yes or no में क्वेश्चन पूछा है, या फिर whatever question that was going on in your mind, it's a strong yes. Okay, so take it how it fits. Next we have is ask for help from others. So help is already present around you. अगर आपको चाहिए कि भाई मेरा जो भी ये इशू है वो सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, या फिर जो भी डाउट्स इनसिक्योरिटीज है, इट्स नॉट गेटिंग resolved, okay, between you and this person or the connection in general, please ask for help which is already present around you. Okay, peaceful resolution. So if fights are going on between the two of you, और past की वजह से अगर कुछ दिक्कतें आ रही है आपके कनेक्शन में, there is soon going to be a solution that you will be getting for the same, okay, to the problem that you are facing. Okay, next we have is opportunity. Yeah, so opportunities in general, it could be career growth, it could be job opportunities. Next we have is within the next few weeks. So if you are waiting, if you are asking your angels about a particular time frame or time period, कितना आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा या फिर कब तक आपकी विश मैनिफेस्ट होगी, या फिर anything that you have been waiting for, it's going to happen or get manifested within the next few weeks. We have reconsider. So before making a choice or coming to a conclusion, please reconsider your choices, your decisions, and then take accurate steps and decisions. Fine. So these were my messages for you. I hope it resonated well with you and your situation. So take care. I'll be back with another reading soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay blessed.